Hey Siobhan, it's Jor-El giving you a little video follow-up call here from Audi Winnipeg. I designed your most awesome 2019 Audi Q3 Technic. If we take a look here, it's in the Pulse Orange with the rotor gray interior. You also chose the S-Line Sport package and the front sport seats, which automatically come with it. So here's a breakdown of the overall cost. The Audi beam lights, the 4 rings when you open the door, you can see them, looks awesome. The Manitoba package is summer mats, winter mats, the locking wheel nut, boot tray, first aid kit, and flashlight. The Audi Care is the 5 years of scheduled maintenance, the hitch, documentation, we don't charge you full tank of premium fuel, air tax, the freight, tire levy from the government, roof bars, and the kayak holder. Those are in conjunction together, and the PPSA is a bank fee through Audi. So your grand total is $54,337.25 plus tax. If you finance it over 60 months at 3.98%, your total payment is $521.18. So all I need from you is to give me a quick phone call at 287-5323. I can collect a $2,000 deposit, and we can order this awesome car, and you'll get it around July. Again, Jor-El from Audi, just sending you this video follow-up. Thank you.